This is the Keter garden raised bed. I'm going to show you how to fix this up in less than 3 minutes. These are the compartments that it came with. Come a little closer so you can show your viewers. These are the stuff that it came with. I'm going to take this out, put it to the side. I already took everything apart. Just put it down a little bit. What you got to do is flip this over. Start with the legs. Once you start with the legs, it's pretty easy. Put the legs in. Put the next leg in. Came with 4 screws. I'm going to use a drill gun so I can get it. I don't want to use a screwdriver. It takes a little longer. And what you do is flip this over. Bang. And as you can see in here, it comes with a little reservoir of water. Can sit inside and feed the plant, but it got a little bit of flaws. This end is deeper than up here, like by an inch, but we'll make do with that. Put this down. Come with 2 little stick, little dividers. Snap that in. Snap it in. Bang. This basically lets you know how much water you got inside. Bang. And don't forget to plug the side. I already put mine in, but you gotta plug it in just to keep the water inside. Or if you want to release the water, you pull it out. That's it. That's how you fit it up.